season is over, it's time for an expert check. I already get the first hints in advance. Sure, a lighting test is part of the expert check. Often, we can intervene preventively. With the correct settings, more expensive follow-up repairs can be avoided. Through these 70-point technical diagnosis, I use factory-updated checklists. The inspection covers all functional areas critical to safety and uptime. Here, I can evaluate and document the status of all functions and aggregates. I look for leakage, out-of-range play and wear of components. Excessive belt wear can quickly cause expensive overall system damage. We ensure your fan belt is good to go. My experience helps me with that. When inspecting the coolant, we not only check the antifreeze, but also the pH value with additives. The result is a report with a comprehensive overview of your tractor's status and needs. Finally, I do a test drive, listen for noises and check the steering, brakes and gear shifting function. Expert check passed. Ready for the best season to come.